The Principle of Unity by Dave Marsland of Cardiff Theosophical Society. The principle of unity asserts that all existence is fundamentally interconnected and interdependent. This principle is rooted in the idea that there is a universal underlying unity that binds all things together, and that everything in the universe is ultimately part of a single unified whole. This concept of unity extends to all levels of existence, from the physical to the spiritual, and serves as the basis for the theosophical understanding of the nature of reality.